Have to determine its coefficient of permeability, its coefficient of consolidation. Within this test is called odometer. This test is called consolidation. The apparatus that we have mainly is odometer. So the material that we are going to use this is called the weigh balance. This is called a ring. It's a ring. Internal here we have a polar stone. This polar stone is used to measure the water that will be passed from here to to retain the water in this ring. This is a paper. This is the loading material. This is a knife. This is the probe. What's it? Screwdriver. Yeah, screw. This is a ring. This is a vernier caliper. Vernier caliper. Vernier caliper. Vernier caliper. This is a ring, consolidation ring. This is very important in our test to determine the reading of the height of our soil. This is called the polar stone again, a top polar stone. Then this is the loading. Those are the loading. This is the water that we are going to add. Then after this, to rest. Then after this, we have what? A paper. Then the procedures that you are going to use are this. Firstly, we have to measure the diameter, the internal diameter, measurement of the internal diameter of the ring, which is very important, so that we have to determine the area of it. So we have to determine the internal diameter of it. Then you record internal diameter. It is about 51. 51. Then you record. Then after this we have to measure this is a ruler. A ruler, we have to measure the height of this ring is about 19 millimeters. Then after this, we are going to measure the mass of our ring. This is a ring. We have to measure the mass of the ring. Then we record the mass of the ring. Then we have to measure. After this, we have to measure the soil, to measure the mass of soil, to take the sample of soil. So in this experiment, we have to take the undisturbed soil. That's why you have to go deep, to go in deep of our soils, so that we get undisturbed soil. Then after this, you record. We are going to take the sample which fill within this ring without any voids of our soil. Then we have to do such that there is no voids on our sample. Then after this, make it smooth within a certain friction force to make it very important. Then after this, we have to measure then after this, we weigh the mass of the sample within the ring. Then after this, you record it. Then after this, you have to make the sample. You have to make a test within the oven to know the dry mass soil that we have. Then after this, then after this, you have to take our sample again to put into this called a reed. This is a reed. This is a can. This is a can help us to make the sample into the oven and measure it within 12 hours. Put in the oven. Then we have to take the other cant of soil, but we do the average of the mass, so that we get the exact mass of our soil. Then you go in oven within the 2 minutes.
Video.
Then after you calibrate the oven, and you close. Then after this, you measure the drying mass after 12 hours. 12. We measure it within 12 hours because it's short time. Then after this, you remove.
You? Alicia?
You measure the mass of dry soil. Here we have to measure the mass of dry soil after removing into the oven. Then you record the mass of soil.